Angela from Bake Angel, and today we're going to make some amazing red velvet cupcakes. Welcome back, bakers, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, especially if you're interested in allergy-friendly baking as well, as all my recipes are always dairy-free and I very often do vegan and gluten-free options as well. Today for our red velvet cupcakes, we're going to start off by making some vegan buttermilk, which is one of the main components to get that taste of the red velvet. So I've added 175 ml of plant-based milk to 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Then we're going to go ahead and add 30 grams of melted plant-based butter and about 10 drops of red food coloring to it. And that's going to give us the wonderful color for our cupcakes. Next, we're going to start to add the main components for the cupcake batter, which is 240 grams of cake flour, 140 grams of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then the most important ingredient is 2 tablespoons of our cocoa powder, which is going to really elevate that red velvet cake as well. Give everything a stir together just so that we know that all that cocoa powder and baking powder and such is mixed in, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our wet ingredients that we made earlier. Now we can go ahead and finally whisk everything together with our hand mixer, and you want to make sure that you don't overmix this batter. If you overmix it, it tends to actually toughen the cupcakes a little bit, and we want to avoid that. So just do it until everything is combined, and then go over it one last time with a spatula to make sure that you haven't missed any bits of flour that tend to collect at the bottom of the mixing bowl. Now we're ready to actually pop the batter into our cupcake liners. So just grab your cupcake pan, add 12 cupcake liners to it, and then I'm going to use a 3 tablespoon ice cream scoop to fill our cupcake cases. Now the reason I like to use a scoop is that it ensures that all of my cupcakes are the same size and that the batter is evenly distributed. You could of course weigh them instead if you wanted to, but this method is so much easier and it's no mess as well. So that's why I'm a huge fan of using an ice cream scoop to fill my cupcakes. Pop those in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until they look like this. They are well risen, they smell amazing, and now we're going to let them cool until they're ready to decorate. So I've just bagged up some of my favorite vanilla buttercream frosting. You could also use a cream cheese frosting here as well, and just pipe a quick little swirl on them, crumble up one of the cupcakes and add some as a fun topping. And let's have a look inside, and you can see how beautiful that crumb looks. It's really light and airy as well, and I cannot wait to try these. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and also drop a comment below and let me know if you're a fan of red velvet, and check out the link in the description for bakeangel.com where you can find the printable version of this recipe. Thanks for watching.